So we said, hey man, there's Johnny Rockets at the Silverton, let's go. We went right over, took a quick look, and came right out of there. Hey guys, we're at the Wuhu Noodle, just like it sounds, W-U-H-U Noodle in the Silverton casino. And we just sat down to eat. They gave us this really cool, this is how you know what you're getting. They give you this spatula with your number on it. That's pretty neat. We got a first-time player bonus, which is awesome. We got 50% off our entire meal, which is a good thing because it's not cheap here. But I'm hoping for the best. Now I got what did I get? The Fun, Chow Fun, which is what I had as a Cosmo if you saw that video. So I just wanted to do a little comparison, although this time I got pork. But I can still compare the noodles and some of the base flavors to it. Leslie got a Cashew Chicken standard Chinese fare. And we did order some appetizer. What was it? Pot stickers. Wow, I can't remember anything, y'all. The drinks here are in bottles, so you're going to get a Coke or a whatever. You want a water, you're getting one of those. And I have a fortune cookie. So we're going to just let you know. I'll film a little bit of it, we'll eat a little bit of it, but I'll give you a good review on it. I wanted to make a side note for everybody. We came here pretty exclusively to eat at the Johnny Rockets, because we love Johnny Rockets. And most of our Johnny Rocket experience has been on the boardwalk in Atlantic City. There's two of them there. One is like a takeout joint. The other's a nice sit down where the ladies come around, they sing 50s songs, they're dancing on the tables. It's a party in there and it is fun, and we've been there I don't know how many times. The food is fantastic. So we love Johnny Rocket. So we went to one recently in Arizona. Okay. It's probably in one of my videos. It was just okay. And so we said, hey man, there's Johnny Rockets at the Silverton, let's go. We went right over, took a quick look, and came right out of there. No one is cleaning the tables. Every single available table is completely filthy, littered with food and plates, and it's just disgusting. The whole kitchen is open, you can just see everything, and it is dirty. Silverton, if you're watching, I'm not apologizing. You need to get over there and clean that daggone place or shut it down. I did see a couple people eating. I don't know how they were doing it. You're eating in filth. Not for me, man. So, no Johnny Rockets here. Okay, guys, the first entree has arrived. This is pork Chow Fun. Chow Fun meaning these big, flat, wide noodles. Nice big pieces of pork, none of that little thin chopped up stuff. Got lots of spring onions. Got some, it's either spring onion or lemongrass, I'm not sure which right there, probably onion. Looks fantastic. Let's give it a taste. Got me a huge piece of pork, steaming hot. Let's do it anyway. All right, that is really good, right out of the wok. Excellent flavors. I'm not going to compare to the Cosmo, I don't want to. I'm just going to base this one as it is. It is excellent, and I'm going to eat most of it. We do have some appetizers. I'm not sure where they are. Oh. Anyway, we'll show you Leslie's when hers comes out. This is Leslie's Cashew Chicken. Hers came with some white rice, steamed white rice. It looks fantastic. She's going to take a bite for you. And for some reason, we still didn't get our pot stickers, so we'll get them sooner or later, I guess. So we've got a lot of, yeah, it's steaming hot. No, you got chicken? She got chicken. Okay, go ahead and try that chicken. It looks good. It's very hot. All right, we'll have to come back to her. So she's going to try it, maybe. Good. Try some of those pea pods. They look, man, the thing is loaded with pea pods. Look at these guys. Man, snow pea pods are one of our favorite vegetables. We don't get them very often. Let's check that one out. Good?
Very
Okay, we've got the Leslie nod of approval. So we're 2 for 2 here, guys. If we ever get our appetizer, we'll film that one. Maybe here appetizer means dessert. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Hey, look at there, everybody. Pot stickers. Now these just came right out of the fryer. I'm not going to try to hit them yet. We got some really good looking sauce though. Let's find out what that's all about. Just put some on my pork like a test drive, you know. Oh boy. Okay, it's got a little kick to it, but not bad. It's really odd. It's like a little sweet and pretty spicy. But the pot sticker should be really good in it. When they cool down, we'll come back. We'll take a bite, investigate. We split these in half so they'll cool down. So we're gonna go ahead and take a taste. First off, without the sauce. Let's go. Well, it's very different. It is fat with meat. Usually they don't have this much meat in them. They have a lot of veggies. This doesn't have any veggies, just meat. I know this sauce is hot, but I'm gonna dip it in there anyway. Get the Coke bottle ready, because I dipped the heck out of this thing. Here we go. Dripping in juice. All right. Very spicy, but that adds a tremendous amount of flavor to an otherwise sort of bland pot sticker. Bland doesn't mean bad. Bland means not extremely flavorful, but packed with meat. We think we ordered pork. This is crazy. We don't even remember what we ordered. Anyway, Leslie has now dipped hers. Let's see what she thinks. Hold on. All right, now she can't tolerate the heat like I can, so we'll see what happens here. Wait till that goes down the back of her throat. I'm still coughing from mine.
It wasn't a big dip.
No, it wasn't a big dip.
Little tingle going on there.
All right.
It does add a lot.
So all in all, I'm going to say that these are really good when they're dipped in the sauce. The sauce is hot. Okay by themselves, better in the sauce, it adds so. Look at all the flavors. This over here, Chow Fun, it's just fantastic by itself. Cashew Chicken. We're going to give very high marks on those two. The entrees, pretty high mark on the appetizer. And that's it. We're going to go ahead and finish up. And I want to thank everybody for watching this little food review of the Wuhu Noodle in the Silverton. And I definitely recommend it. It is not cheap. It is not cheap. Had we not had the discount, as I showed you on the ticket, you're looking at about a $40 meal here, $40 lunch. Hey, all I can say about that is it's Vegas, man. Stuff's expensive.